In this video, we're going to go over one of the coolest woods used for building ukuleles, and that is mango wood. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and we're going to explore different woods in this series of videos. And I want to break down mango wood, one of the sweetest, warmest sounding woods out there. But before we get there, welcome here to the channel. If you like ukulele reviews, tutorials, challenges, and giveaways, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. And just so you know, if you're interested in anything that I have here in this video, spalted mango, tiny tenor, rebel mango, Aloha mango, it's all available at the #1 store, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about the wood. We're going to do some playing so you can hear for yourselves. And then throughout this video, if you're digging this video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment below. All right, you ready? Let's do this. All right, mango wood. One of my favorite woods. Why? Okay, a couple of different reasons. One, tons of variations. Now, I had some up earlier. I'm going to show you each one, but a lot of variations in the woods. Matter of fact, I have a couple ukes here that I'm going to show you that you haven't seen yet. But anyway, so a lot of variations in the colors, a lot of variations in the patterns as well. So that's really cool. So it's nice to have that kind of variation. You know, you have woods like mahogany. It's a great sounding wood, but it's just like mahogany is basically mahogany. All right, so mango has a lot of variations. Two, the sound. I mean, just... By the way, I'm not plugged in. You know, I normally plug everything in. I got my LR bags, I got my whole rack system over here, but nope, just going acoustic. You got a mic here. You got a mic down here as well. So that way you can really hear the sound. But the sound of mango is really nice. Really nice. Do you have any experience with mango wood? Maybe you know something I don't. Leave a comment below if you do. Okay. Let's talk, I'll do some little more playing, and I'll talk about the sound, but let's just look at a couple different mango ukes that I brought along, and then you can see for yourself these variations I was talking about. All right, so this one is a Aloha KTM00MG. This is a mango. Now, if you look at this one, really cool. Now, this one is a little bit more like brownish with some like butterscotch, okay? But it does have a lot of variation. It actually has a little bit of flame too. If you can see this flame, different angles of it, you can see some flame in this one. So this is one style. This is a tenor ukulele right here. So it's gonna have that big sound. I do have a wound low G on it. Matter of fact, I think these are the Pepe Romero tenor low G strings. Again, you can get that at store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, let me grab another one. All right, so I decided to bring out the smallest uke that I have with me today, and that is the Rebel Mango, Double Creme Mango. Now look at this mango wood. This one is a lot more golden looking. Now it has some stripes too going in, but very yellowish, very golden looking. Look at the back, really cool. And really a kind of a unique, not very straight line, but really unique pattern in this one. So again, lots of variation. This is almost the opposite of the Aloha I had. All right, but I'm not done. I got a couple more to show you. All right, I got another one for you. This is the Fireball by Flight. And you can see this one now has a lot of different characteristics than the other one has. So check this out. You get a little bit of darkness here, a little bit more straight on this one. But again, when you flip it over, you still got that kind of that brownish, almost butterscotch look on it. And then again, there's that variation in a wood right here that you usually only see in a wood like mango. All right, so what do you think so far? Leave a comment below. I got a couple more to show you, and then we're going to discuss this kind of wood and the sound, at least the sound that I hear that comes out of it. You know, I couldn't do a mango. Matter of fact, at first I forgot it. I actually had to stop the first video I was doing, run upstairs and grab the tiny tenor by my man, Pepe Romero. This is a Romero's Creations tiny tenor. Now, Pepe. Now, Pepe has the spalted mango, okay? And he's not the only one, but he has a lot of it. Now, this one isn't crazy spalted. Like, look at this. Look at this. I mean, this is crazy. Now, generally, the spalting is all this variation of wood. A lot of times it's more black, like black lines. And this one doesn't have tons of that, but it does have some of it. Look at the back of it. I mean, just look at that. The Pepe wood is absolutely unbelievable. But then this is a mango tiny tenor. All right, I had to bring out one more Rebel. This is the creme brulee tenor. Now, the reason I like, well, two reasons I brought this. One, this is one of my favorite Rebels. It's a tenor, but it's a slim line. Look at that. Oh, yeah. But two, I wanted to bring this one because look at all the curl on this ukulele. Look at that. Bam, that tiger striping, that flame, that curl. So it also is in mango. You usually associate that with koa wood, but mango also has the curl. All right. Now, by the way, if you like anything I'm doing here, there's no tricks, there's no secrets. I show you everything that I know over at ukelikethepros.com. We got over 20 courses. We got a premium membership. And most importantly, we have the Ukulele the Pros Nation, one of the best, no, the best ukulele community on the planet. All right, let's talk about the sound. So, I mean, you already, come on now. I've just played all these ukuleles for you. You should have a good idea of the sound. I'm going to break it down for you, though. If you want more comparison videos, I have those here on my channel if you want to hear the comparisons. But this one, I'm going to stick with mango. Mango, definitely, in my opinion, the warmest, the most luscious sounding of any of the woods. Even koa, but compared to mahogany, compared to spruce top, compared to acacia, rosewood, all those woods, the mango is the warmest sounding wood. Okay, so what do I mean by warm sounding? Okay, even warmer than koa. And what I mean by that, it's got a nice mid-range. Okay, it's not trebly, it's not bright. It's also not actually overly powerful, like projection-wise, like a spruce top is, a cedar top is. Okay, so it's got a lot of that mid-range to it, almost even a little bassy. Okay, to it. Doesn't have a lot of treble sound. So then when you say warm, to me, well, at least when I say warm, that's what I mean. It's got a nice mid-range to it. And it's actually, to me, even warmer sounding than koa wood is it. But it's got a nice and full sound, too. Okay, it's not like a tiny little small sound like you get with a laminate wood. Okay, it's got a nice big sound. Okay. Now, I mean, again, yes, I have a Koloha. Koloha's known for that big sound. I have the wound low G on it. But notice how, I mean, even at low G, that's not overly bright, right? It's really got a nice tone to it. Matter of fact, what's this nice? Nice progression, huh? C sharp diminished, D minor, G G7. So, warm. If you really like that lush, full sound, this is the wood for you, the mango wood. Especially, some people don't like the big, bright, bold stuff that the spruce, like I keep on mentioning, or the mahogany has. Okay, so this is it right here, the mango. So lots of variations in the colors, in the wood patterns, and just a very big, full, lush, full sound, and you just hear those overtones ringing out. So that's what you like. This is the wood for you. What do you think? Leave a comment below of what your thoughts are on the mango. I played a lot of mangoes, didn't I? Let's review them. I played the Mango Koloha KTM00MG. I played the Rebel Double Creme Soprano Mango. I played the Pepe Romero, the Romero Creations Tiny Tenor Spalton Mango. The Flight Fireball Tenor Mango. And the Rebel Creme Brulee Slimline Tenor in Mango. All right, I want to thank you for being here. Again, store.ukelikethepros.com. If you like anything that I have, I got all of these from the store to show to you in this video. And that's the one benefit of having the #1 store is I can grab all these and show you in the videos. If you want to follow us more, don't forget our Patreon page. You can find us on our social media platforms, but I'd love for you to come and be a part of the Uke Like the Pros Nation. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for all the support. I'm out of here, and we'll see you in the next one.